Okay, this is topic 12, perimeter and area. We're at 11%. We've got to get this done. This is second take on this because I just royally screwed up. See, look, low battery. Okay, here we go. We got to get this done. 10%. Perimeter versus area. So, perimeter, peri, literally means like outside, and meter means distance. So perimeter is literally like the distance around the outside. Of a shape. So if we have like a rectangle, it's like if I were to run around this rectangle, how far do I have to run? Like I have to run this far, and then this far, and then this far, and then this far. Okay. So area is in square units. And like if we had a room, I'm going to try to make this match up with the lines, like that's 2 feet by 4 feet, right? Because this is 2 blocks by 4 blocks. Then the area is like, think about like how many tiles it would take to tile it in, right? So color this in. Look at that. Wow, so nice. So how many tiles would that be? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tiles. 8 tiles. Or we could say like 8 square feet, and we write that like that, 8 feet squared. Okay. So area is like tiling the inside. Perimeter is around the outside. So find the perimeter of the polygon with these vertices. So polygon means like shape, many-sided shape. Okay, and vertices means corners. So here we go. We have u at -2, 4. So left 2, up 4. Here's u. V is at 3, 4. So over 3, up 4. Here's v. Just remembered I need to change something down there. W is at 3, -4. Right there. There's W. So we have a triangle. I'm going to connect the dots in here. Let's see if I can do this. Like that. Bam. Like that. It went off a little bit. Better. And right there. Okay. And, oh, that one went down too. What? What? Okay, well, whatever. Fine. Close enough. So we need to find the perimeter. So perimeter is like if I was going to run around the outside of this shape. Like if I were to run along this part, it would take up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So that's 5. Over here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. So 8. But then to get this diagonal side, it's a little bit harder. We have to give it credit for going like down and over. So to figure out this distance, we're going to have to use our Pythagorean theorem. So if you ever have like a diagonal line, you have to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So you have to give it credit for going down and over. So like on this one, this is how I like to think of it. From this point to this point, I have to give it credit for going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to make it match up. So it goes down 8 and it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that blue line really goes down 8 and over 5. So I have to do 8 squared plus 5 squared equals, well, this side that I want, which we could call that UW, because that's the side between U and W, squared. So 8 squared plus 5 squared is, well, let's find out. 8 squared plus 5 squared. I think I already did it in my calculator since this is my second take. Yes, 8 squared plus 5 squared, right up here. 8 squared plus 5 squared is, whoa. Look, I can type it in again. No. Oh, will end up being 89. Okay, so 8 squared plus 5 squared is 89. So yeah, 89 equals UW squared. So to find the actual distance, like look at that. That is not 89 long. This side's 8, this side's 5. That's not 89. We have to square root both sides. So square root of 89 is the actual distance we want. I think that's also on my calculator. Let's see. Square root of 89. To get square root, remember you have to hit second and then the square button. 89, enter. That's 9.43 is what we'll call that. 9.43. So UW is about 9.43. So this side is 9.43. So that's not quite the answer because we're talking about like running around the outside. So it's like if I started right here and ran across that way, I'd be running 5 and then I'd run 8 to run that way, and then running across that way to run 9.43. So the perimeter is like 5. Perimeter is 5 plus 8 plus 9.43, which is about 22.43, just units, because we don't have like feet or anything. Okay, next one, find the area of the polygon with vertices this is really supposed to be a 4. So we have j, negative 3, 4, so down over 3, up 4. K is at 4, 4, so that was j, 4, 4 is over here, here's k, and L is at 4, negative 3, so here's L. Okay, I'm going to connect the dots on here. Oh, that was pretty good. Down here, whoa, okay, and over here. Nice. Okay, so it made a little, oh, I know why. Anyway, okay, it made a triangle. Okay. Alrighty, so area, sorry for that long pause. Area for triangle has a formula. It's 1/2 times 1/2 times base times height. So here we go. For the base, we just have to pick a straight side. It doesn't matter which one. So like I'll pick this one as my base. Why not? Base. And how long is that? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. So my base is 7. Once you've picked your base, the height just has to go like straight from the base up to the other point. So my height from the base straight up to the other point is this right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my height is 7. So base is 7, height is 7. So my area is 1/2 times 7 times 7, which is 1/2 times 49, which is, let's see, that is 24.5. 24.5, and that is units squared. Nice. All right, that is perimeter and area in the plane.